Hello everybody. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Mursal Ahmed. Today we will talk about our topic, which is case study of quality management in Emirates Airlines. I'm going to talk about the importance of quality, definition of quality, and why we should implement quality management in our business. Quality is one of the most important issues that businesses have focused on in the last 30 years has been. As markets have become much more competitive, quality has become widely regarded as key for success in business. Definition of quality. What's the meaning of quality? Quality means excellent product, service, or process that exceed our expectations. Quality management. The quality management system is composed of all the organization's policies, procedures, plans, resources, processes, and delineation of responsibility aimed at achieving product or service quality levels consistent with customer satisfaction and the organization's objective. Quality management system will include the following documentation: quality policy, which is the statement describes how the organization approaches quality. The quality manual, this must address each clause of the ISO 9001 standards, such as organization chart, management responsibility for operating the quality system, and quality procedures. Quality objectives. These are the goals related to quality and must be in harmony with the quality policy. Quality procedures. These describe step by step what the company does to meet the quality policy, and last not least, forms, records, and so on. This provides proof of activities for the firm. Why we should implement quality management? There are many reasons to implement quality management in our business. Firstly, improves customer satisfaction. By many ways we can improve that. Firstly, encourage customer feedback and manage the information to improve customer satisfaction. Secondly, improves organizational effectiveness. Every business has goals including fulfillment, customer service, sales. Ways to achieve that: by establish goals for operational sectors, by measure the performance, by review the effectiveness. And the last one, improves documentations. By many ways we can improve that. A quality management system helps to define document systems, activities and processes are clearly recorded. Documentation.
Our case study is going to be about Emirates Airline and how applying quality management helped them to be one of the best airlines in the world. As I mentioned, our case study is going to be about Emirates Airline. Here is some information about Emirates Airline. It was founded in March 1985, which is about 30 years. Emirates Airline headquartered in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. They become led by Ahmed bin Said Al Maktoum, who is the president chairman. As I mentioned before, Emirates Airline is one of the best airlines in the world. The secret behind that success is the organization pursuit of explosive and continuous growth, while at the same time ensuring the provision of quality services relevant to its industry operation. As a result of Emirates Airline providing quality services to the customer, its popularity has resulted to a current growth, which includes more than 200 airplanes operation in about 130 destinations, over 70 countries, and they are leading the airplane with respect to operation of Boeing 777 and Airbus A380 aircrafts.
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Kaid Saleh, and I'm going to continue from the path that my friend have started. Of course, I'm going to discuss about the benefits that arise from implementing quality management system in Emirates Airline. and I'm going to discuss what's the optimal model or the tools that the Emirates Airline have considered in order to achieve high quality management and high quality service to their customers. Now I'm going to discuss the benefits of implementing a QM in Emirates Airlines. So the first benefits is meeting the customer's need. So this is important since all the organizations relies on their customer, which means that the understanding both their current and future needs via vital in ensuring the going on concern. The second benefit was exemplary leadership. So through the establishment of proper quality management system, the management of organizations coordinates toward embracing unity of direction in the mission of organization. So every other worker understands and gets motivated in meeting the objectives and goals of the organization. The third one is the establishment of teamwork spirit. So it's involvement of all workforce. In this case, people all work levels are involved in all important organization activities, using their different abilities and potentials in decision making to the organization's advantage. The fourth benefit is the ability to match each activity to its most relevant resources. So the materiality of this reducing the important or operation cost as well as shortening the time through which the effectiveness of the resources is achieved. The fifth benefit is the presence of systematic management approach. So this means that the top management has the ability to identify, understand, and adequately means all the process, thereby contributing to the effective and efficient achievement of organizational objectives. The sixth benefit was the presence of continuous improvement. So essentially this should be a parameter objective but permanent objective for every organization yearning to remain competitive. It's create the flexibility necessary for quick reaction to opportunities. Now I'm going to discuss the optimal excellence model that Emirates Airline have applied in order to achieve their quality levels. First is the leadership. So leadership in Emirates Airline should focus on creating a powerful unity of decision making to all workers in their entire organization. And more so, the airline will be able to set and achieve more challenging targets in the future. This inspiration from different workers will thus recognize and put to the use in order to increase the quality in the company. The second one was stakeholder involvement. So there are many people in the organization environment that contribute towards the growth of the company of Emirates Airline. Steps in involving all of them enhance general motivation, which is a key element behind creativity and innovation. The third one is customer focus. So customers from the basis of every organization, the customers are especially important in the case of service provision as the case with Emirates Airline. Therefore, the airlines should focus much of its attention towards understanding the current as well as the future requirements of its customer so as the efficiency meet their expectations. The fourth one is process approach. So this is important since it is evident that most desired results are results of efficiency, effectively relating to the activities and the resources in easily manageable process. In light of this, Emirates Airlines will be able to focus on optimizing various improvement opportunities. The fifth one is continuous improvement. This relates to the continuous improvement of the organization's performance in all aspects, which should be a part of various statements. In light of Emirates Airlines,
This would help to react with ease to all travel opportunities and then arise from time to time. The second last is systematic management. So a systematic management body helps in the effective accomplishment of organizational objectives, since it's make it easy to identify, understand, and manage all the regular process within the system in the use. This would thus help the Emirates Airlines to structure a system capable of achieving the organization's objectives in the quicker, most efficient and effective manner. The last one is factual decision making. Unlike in many scenarios where most decisions are products of brainstorming, this principle calls for the use of data and information analysis in the decision making process, such as practiced by Emirates Airline, that lead to the increase in the ability to review options and reach decision based more on sources such as customer feedbacks. So this is the end of my part, and my friend will continue on the comparing between current quality management system in use by Emirates Airline against optimal excellent model.
To compare the current quality management system used by Emirates Airline against the optimal excellence model, which was explained by my friend, we are going to ask some questions, and by knowing the answer of them we can know the differences between the excellence model and what Emirates Airline are doing. The first one is going to be, does Emirates Airlines leadership demonstrate unity of direction? The answer of that question is going to be yes, it does. This evidence from the fact that it sets challenging goals that have seen in the airline company evolving from a domestic firm into one of the leading international airlines. The second question is going to be, how about the involvement of the stakeholder? As expected in the model, Emirates Airline embraces innovative and creative ideas from all its workers and customers. The effect of this is seen in the state-of-the-art facilities installed in their passenger and cargo aircrafts. The third question is going to be, is there evidence of active customer focus in Emirates Airline? To answer this question, we can say absolutely the major contributing factor behind the success of this airline's services is as a result of a deep market research. Through such activities, the airline is now able to meet the needs of all the customers. We can give an example of class, business, and economy flight. We'll move to three more questions. We'll start with, are there process approach mechanisms in Emirates Airline? To some extent, the above principle is fulfilling. However, there is a need to embrace much of it. For example, since it's a globally accredited airline, it should consider streamlining its flight class in more satisfying manner. More so, it should establish a way to ensure that all its hosts and hosts share a common route training. We'll move to this question, which is, what is the situation with respect to continuous improvement? Emirates Airline has a growth from operating domestic flight with just 2 aircrafts when they started in 1985 to operating in over 70 countries with more than 200 aircrafts. This expansion is still underway, since it's buying a new aircrafts and making a new destination. The last question is going to be, is there evidence to factual decision making within the structure management of Emirates Airline? This has been officially met under the structure management of this airline company. The decision is established, like for example, when they establish various new destination, choosing Boeing 747 and Airbus A380, all of these decisions make it clear that they use this role in this company. Uh, Now their awards, we cannot like talk about only six here, like we can see only six awards. They have a lot more than this, but this is like the most important achievements and award they got. For example, the first one is Aviation Industry Awards, Business Traveler Award, Air Cargo World Awards. Plus, we have to mention that Emirates Airline, they are the first company for airline companies in the last few years. In conclusion, from this video presentation, we can make it clear that the total quality management established by Emirates Airline, it's evident that the ability of organization to successfully meet their customers' need and satisfaction. However, they all have a common stand, since they are all based on the quality management standard stipulated under the ISO 9000. This means that is also possible to create a customized model for a specific organization, as has been done for Emirates Airline. Here is the end of our presentation. We hope you guys enjoy watching this. Thank you for watching our video.